MPHC students work very hard to empower and better others, and this is a great recognition, well-deserved recognition for those students.
The University of Arkansas National Panhandling Council, or NPHC, has recently received a prestigious award given to them from their national headquarters.
It recognizes them as the most outstanding collegiate council in the country, so it's very exciting.
NPHC overlooks the 7 historically African-American Greek letter organizations on the University of Arkansas campus. NPHC graduate advisor Lauren Leaf says the award is significant to not only the council, but to the University of Arkansas and Greek life overall.
It's very much aligned with the vision for the university to become a top 50 institution. Doing MPHC's part in terms of becoming recognized and being known as something that's very relevant to the development of our students at the University of Arkansas, and also it shows that our council, MPHC locally, is something to be looked to for the correct practices.
Lee hopes that other student organizations will look at the council's award as inspiration and apply for national recognition. For UATV, I am Cameron Woods.